Namaste ladies, welcome to my channel. I'm Anandra here. There's something that nobody tells you about strength. Your upper body is not losing any strength. It's just that it has no movement, which is why it's feeling weak. Here is a 5-minute routine to work on your upper body strength. Hit the subscribe button so that you can get the notification for my next video. So let's get started. From down here, you're going to come into a simple tabletop position, and from here, inhale, you're going to lift your head up, open your chest, going into a cat pose. Exhale, you're going to go back into cow, rounding your back, chin towards your chest. Inhale, look up, arch, push your shoulders back. Exhale, pull your abdomen, round your back, chin towards your chest. And slowly coming back to center. You're going to stretch your right leg up and behind, so your toes pointing downward. Don't drop your hip to the left side. Push into an imaginary wall and slowly bring your left hand forward. So trying to breathe deep and slow, lifting up, keeping the shoulders elevated and slowly coming down. Lovely. Going to the other side. Inhale, you're going to stretch your left leg back, toes pointing downwards, lifting up through the shoulders. And on your next inhale, you slowly lift the right hand up. So don't worry, do what you can. If you're falling there, it doesn't matter. Just come back, practice again. And slowly coming down. Lovely. Let's do one more round. Inhale, you're going to stretch the right leg up, pushing into that imaginary wall, looking forward, lifting through the shoulders. And inhale, your left hand goes up. Breathing deep and slow. And slowly coming down. Now, left leg goes up and behind, into that imaginary wall, driving through, lift through the shoulders. Right hand comes forward, look to the right fingertips, breathing deep and slow. And slowly coming down. Now, from here, you're going to walk your hands just one step forward. You can continue to be on your knees, or you can inhale and lift up into a plank position. So holding your position here, but still breathing, always breathing. Inhale, and on your next exhale, you're going to bring the right knee towards the right elbow. Now don't worry if you can't reach, it doesn't matter, just do the journey. Even if you're halfway through, it's good. You'll feel the engagement in the upper body, that's what you want. Slowly going back. Stay with me, breathe. Inhale, you're going to bring the left leg closer to your left elbow. Again, breathing deep and slow. And slowly going back. Go down on your knees, take a break, breathe. Lovely. From here, you're going to bend your elbows, both of them. So one time, you can go nice and slow, there's no rush. Do what you can. You're slowly going to lift both knees up. Now, don't worry if this feels too much, as it's an inversion. There's too much energy straight into your head. So just stay here where you are. You may not want to go further, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Remember, you're building slowly. If you did want to go forward, as you push your weight forward onto your arms. So nice and slow. Again, just staying here, breathing deep and slow. And slowly knees go down. Lovely. We'll just try it 2 more times. Again, don't worry, just do what you can. On the next inhale, you're going to lift the knees up, head going down. Breathing is the most crucial thing in inversion. It's all a mind game. So just believe in yourself and breathe. Slowly going down. One last time. On your next inhale, lift the knees up. Lovely. Breathing. And slowly going down. Excellent. Coming up on your arms. I know you're feeling all fired up right now, but just stay with me. Breathe here. Excellent. We're going to do knee down Chaturanga Dandasana. So a nice pulled in push up, if you may want to know. So knee down, just nice and slow. Again, do at your own degree. You do not need to go down too much. You're going to just walk your hands one step forward. Elbows staying tucked in. Inhale, you're going to lean forward from the upper body. Pull the core in and slowly go bend your elbows and down. but you don't have to go down too much if that doesn't feel good. So if you are here, that's good. Don't worry about it because you are working your strength. If you're down here, just breathing, and then on your next exhale, lift up. Lovely. Let's try that one more time. Again, continue whatever bend you are able to do. Inhale, you're going to go down and pulling your core in, breathing. Exhale, you're going to come up. Excellent. Once more, last one, I promise. Inhale, and you're slowly going to go down. And exhale up. Lovely. Touch your big toes at the back, stretch both hands forward and go down into child's pose. So just relaxing your shoulders completely. Breathing. Excellent. So if you did feel inspired out of this 5 minutes video that we practiced, remember you can do this 1 or 2 times a week and really feel the strength, feel the energy in the upper body, and make sure it aligns with what you want. And if you did want to join me and my other community of 40 plus ladies, you're welcome to follow me as we're going to go to the lower body strength in the next video. So keep practicing.